Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can create a recurring Zoom meeting. So to begin with, you have to launch the Zoom app. Then at this little top part of it that provides you with an opportunity to create various meetings, just tap on a schedule, then choose the meeting preferences, and in order to make it a recurring one, or the meeting or the phone call that will be repeated through some period of time, you just have to open the repeat section over here and choose the quantity, or how oftenly will it repeat itself, or should it be daily, weekly, every other week, every month, or every year at the same date or day even. So let's say I'll make this a weekly meeting, tap on done. Then choose where your meeting will start. So let's say if we'll set it to start at the 1st of January at 5 p.m. It will repeat itself at the 8th of January, like so. Alrighty, now just save it and proceed with a usual usual scheduled Zoom meeting. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.